Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, how are you? Let me introduce myself. My name Nurbaiti Rumandani and my friends Muhammad Nurroza. We are from the Bachelor of Nursing Harapan Bangsa University. Here I will present the result of my journal analysis and my friend with the title Using the Online Psychotherapy Tool to Address Mental Health Problem in the Context of the COVID-19 Pandemic Protocol for an Electronically Delivered Cognitive Behavioral Therapy Program. First slide. What has previous research found about the topic? The COVID-19 pandemic is a source of degree uncertainty, anxiety, and stress, and it is ultimately affecting mental health on a global scale. According to a recent survey, 17% of Canadians have reporting feeling anxious, and 37% have reported feeling lonely, and 32% have said that they are having a hard time falling asleep because of stressors associated with the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, how will this study add to the previous research? Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) could be a promising solution for treating depression and anxiety disorder related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Electronically delivered CBT could be a viable alternative method for mental health care delivery. ECBT has proven to be efficacious in treating both anxiety and depressive disorder with comparable result to in-person therapy. ECBT content can be conveniently accessed anytime and anywhere. Therapy providing flexible access to care, even for people who live in remote areas. Major clinical can sleep repeating similar general concept to multiple patients and reduce their time commitment to a fraction of that in-person therapy. This not only reduces the cost of care delivery, but also allow more people to receive care from existing clinical research and shortens waiting time. What are research question in study? How to implementing the scalable online psychotherapy clinic and care plan to address mental health problems that started or worsened during the COVID-19 pandemic. How with result evaluate the feasibility and efficacy of treating COVID-19 related mental health problems by offering specific ECBT modules through an online clinic. Methodology. What was the type of the study? Intervention research. Where when was the study conducted? Research conducted in Canada. This research was conducted on 2020. Mention the number of population and sample in the study. Population in this study, there are 18 participants. The sample in this study, there are 53 participants. What was the sampling? The technique used in the study? This clinical trial has a non-randomized controlled trials design.
My name is Rozak. I will continue the presentation from my friend. Next, procedure. How was the study conducted? Participants enrolled in the psychotherapy group will participate in a 9-week program that will include a combination of CBT, mindfulness therapy, and problem-based therapy. What kinds of data were collected? Qualitative focus group will be conducted to gather personal demographic information as well as information about the feasibility of implementing an online psychotherapy clinic. What were the instruments used to collect the data? Primary outcome measure will be anxiety level based on generalized anxiety disorder 7. Item questionnaire score. Depression level based on patient health question 9 item score. Relation level based on release scale 14 item. Questionnaire score and quality of life based on quality of life and enjoyment question score. All questions will be collected directly through the OPID at Baseline prior to 5 weeks and after the last session. How did the researcher analyze the data? Participants enrolled in the psychotherapy group will participate in a 9-week program that will include a combination of CBT. A sample session has been provided by OPDT Inc. Each participant will be assigned to a therapist on the research team. During each week, the therapist will assign a prediction therapy module to their patient through to OPDT on a specific day of the week. Result. What are the findings? Addressing the expensive mental health problems resulting from the COVID-19 requires rapid and easily accessible solution. An online psychotherapy clinic with designated therapy module can be used to rapidly scale up clinical capacity to address mental health problems resulting from the COVID-19 pandemic. These researchers are also planning to submit the outcome of our study through publicable media so other clinicians can easily access. Conclusion. To the feeding answer the research question, explain. Participants enrolled in the psychotherapy group will participate in a 9-week program that will include a combination CBT, mindfulness therapy, and problem-based therapy. The content of the psychotherapy program will be customized to reflect the challenge that individual may face during the COVID-19 pandemic and develop into interactive and engaging therapy modules. A sample session has been provided OPDT Inc. In order to maintain care and outcome consistent and streamline the process, therapists will use pre-designed session-specific feedback templates to respond to each homework submission. What are the limitations of the study? Limitation in this research is such as the non-randomized design of the study. In order to address this concern in a structured format, we are using the guidance for reporting intervention development studies in health research framework and template for intervention description and replication to report our protocol and outcome. What are the benefits of the study? The good of things program is to teach individuals how to identify and change their destructive and disturbing thought patterns, which have a negative influence on behavior and emotion. Our goal is to adjust negative thinking so that participants can think about and adapt to the things are happening to them. This will allow participants to adjust the why they behave. Okay, so many presentation from you and thank you.